What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to come here and subscribe, guys. I'm at 197 subscribers, and like I've mentioned in previous videos, once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to a random person that has recently subscribed and dropped a comment on any of my videos. So my prediction is that I'm going to hit 250 subscribers within the next 10 days roughly, because I've been growing pretty quickly as a small channel, guys, like 2 to 3 subs a day, which is pretty good in my opinion. I like it. I've been liking the growth on this channel, and yeah, so if you're new, hop in on that. Amazon FBA content coming, stock market investing content always coming, so make sure to tune in with that, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and let's hop into the topic of this video. So like you guys saw on my channel last week, I actually did a $500 stock market challenge to pretty much show you guys that you can start stock market investing, swing trading with $500, man. You don't need a bunch of money to start doing this, right? And I wanted to show you guys that with just $500, you can grow an account over a period of time. So the backstory on this, in case you guys missed the first video, is that me and my girlfriend are going on a vacation, and she decided to give me some of the money she's putting in for our vacation, which is actually 500 bucks. You can see it up here, and I decided to invest it, obviously with her permission. I invested it in the stock market, and the particular ETF that I put it into was DGAS, right? DGAS. The thing with this, guys, is that I actually invested at $23 right here, right before that huge dip down to $17, which I'm kind of pissed about, because obviously if I got in at $17, $18, all the way up to $24 right now, that's obviously a better percentage gain than $23 up to where we are right now. But still, money is money, right? And I'm at $525 right now, $25 profit on the initial investment that we put in here, and we have some cash here, $32. And yeah, like I said, I just want to show you guys it's possible, man. It's possible to grow your account. Right now, my full position is in DGAS, and obviously, if you have 500 bucks, you probably shouldn't be investing in more than 1 or 2 stocks, because you're not really going to make an insane return on your money if you're messing around with swing trades like this. Obviously, if you're day trading, you could probably make more money with $500, but it's risky, guys. I don't want to lose this $500 completely, and I know with DGAS, this is a less risky investment than let's say penny stocks. So I put my money in DGAS. Like you guys can see here, I have a limit order at about 30. Yeah, it's exactly $30, right? And that's where I plan on selling this particular investment. So I'm going to wait till 30 bucks. If anything drastic happens, I might sell a little bit early, but realistically anywhere between 28 to 30 bucks is how I'm going to be selling, based on how natural gas is performing. And right now, guys, as you can see, it's been falling. This is where DGAS hit about like $16, $17, because if you guys don't know, when natural gas goes up, DGAS actually goes down, and from 362, now we're all the way to 284, and it's about 10 a.m. on Friday right now. So natural gas is plummeting right now, which is helping DGAS a lot, and helping my investment do well, guys. So I just wanted to update you guys on my little $500 stock market challenge. If you guys are doing this with me, if you guys have a smaller account and trying to grow it, make sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know what your strategies are. What picks are you investing in, right? And I'm very interested, guys. I'm very interested. I want to engage the audience a little bit more. So thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's make some money today, guys. Expect an update on this in 1 week. I plan on just doing 1 video on this per week, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.